Hi and welcome to the Business News Update on the News Chronicle. My name is Ken Again. Here are the stories for today. We have Sterling Holding Company, high strong Q4 with 149 billion naira earnings projection. Now Sterling Company projects 149.27 billion naira in Q4 earnings, with the profit after tax expected at 16.25 billion naira. Also have CBN introduces PSV 2028 to strengthen Nigeria's digital payment future. Now the CBN has launched the Payment System Vision 2028 to deepen inclusion, boost innovation, and also build a secure payment framework. Also we have Gerigu Power targets 44 billion naira profit for 2025. Now Gerigu Power forecasts 12.1 billion profit in Q4, settling its full-year earnings above 44 billion naira. Also, we have NGS gains 254 billion as market sentiments are strengthened. Now, the Nigerian exchange added 254 billion naira in value, lifted by 36 advancing stocks led by Lafarge Africa and Samansar. And lastly, we have rising loan rates threatens Nigerian businesses. Now, commercial loan rates has gone up to 36% and is squeezing Nigerian businesses, now forcing many SMEs to scale back or cut jobs. So that's it on today's business news updates. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. For more, visit www.thenewschronicle.com.